Hello everyone. So you know the drill. We're going to do the next question for March. This one is about adding a row of nodes. So basically you have a binary tree. If you want to add a row at depth 2, you just add ones in that second row, and that will be it, right? If you're adding it on depth 1, then that just becomes the root node. So seems pretty simple. Let's just I'm not quite sure exactly how to do it, but I have an idea of like BFS. So let's just take the case where if d is equal to 1, then we just know that we create a new root, becomes a tree node, with a value of v, and new root dot left is equal to the current root, and then you return new root. That's the easy case. Now if the depth is somewhere else, then we need to actually do something a little bit more clever. So let's do a BFS. So let's say that q is equal to dq root, and probably would want to add its depth as 1. So then yeah, I probably don't need to do that because BFS will just go level by level anyways, but let's just do that. The Vim is terrible. Okay, so node depth is equal to q dot pop left. Okay. If depth plus 1 is equal to what we're interested in, then we know that let's see, we know that node dot, let's create a new node, equals tree node v, and let's not lose the other nodes. So if node dot left is equals, or if it exists, then we want to do q dot append node dot left. If node dot right, q dot append dot node dot right. That way we don't lose it. The next thing is we're appending a pair, actually, d plus 1 d plus 1. not D, it's depth. Let's see, so node, there's a lot to keep track of, so I'm gonna need, so I put these guys in the queue, and then if I am depth plus 1 equals the depth that I want, then I know that that is my child. But then how do you know if it's a left or a right? Because this one goes right. So I think I need to put this guy here. And then I need to do something clever here. So if node.left, then I want to say that new node.left is equal to node.left. If node right, so I'm going to do that. If I have a node.right, or does it even matter if I have a node.left? Because if it's null, then it won't do anything. I think I want to do this. Left equals 1, node left is equal to 3 node v. If node dot left and then I do, yeah, if node dot left, if there is a node on the left, then I say node dot node left dot left is equal to node left. And then when that happens, I can do node dot left is equal to node left. It's more like it. So node right, tree node v. If node dot right, node right dot right equals node dot right, node dot right is equal to node right. And I think, and then once that's done, I go ahead and iterate through the left and the right. So I'd also probably want to put this in the in the queue. Else you just do this normal thing. Okay. I'm not super sure about this one, but let's just see. So let's do return root. But in the meantime, oh, val. Yeah, I don't need the val. Return root, syntax error. What is that, a syntax error? Oh. Cannot unpack non-iterable. Whoops. That +1. You do the same thing here. There we go. And I think that's it. Whew, that was a little bit of a doozy. That was harder than what I expected. I didn't think it was going to be too bad, but I guess yeah. So yeah, that's how to solve that for today, and next time.